Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Easy ingredients for creamy cheese sauce. Butter gives the sauce rich flavor. Flour thickens the sauce. Milk thins the sauce out a bit and adds sweet flavor. Sharp cheddar cheese. Freshly grated cheese will melt better and give a stronger flavor than the coated shredded cheese you can buy in a bag at the store.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cheese that's grated in large sheets or thick shreds will clump, because a larger amount of surface area allows for more cling potential. A larger piece of cheese also increases the chance that it will melt unevenly and onto other cheese surrounding it.
Take our lead.
Another way to thicken a cheese sauce is to add a little bit of cornstarch slurry, equal parts cornstarch and water, added a little at a time to hot cheese sauce. This method is less desirable. You do risk the cheese separating if you reheat it too much when thickening.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Melt butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in flour, salt, and pepper until smooth, about 5 minutes. Slowly pour milk into butter-flour mixture while continuously stirring until mixture is smooth and bubbling, about 5 minutes. Add cheddar cheese to milk mixture and stir until cheese is melted, 2 to 4 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.